Guys, today we're going to learn how to sum a list in Python. So this is another super simple, easy Python lesson that we're going to cover today. This shouldn't take too much time. So we're going to start out by just creating a quick little script and running it. But essentially, to sum a list, you can just call the function sum and pass the list to that function. And that's really all you need to do. It's that simple. So that's the easy way. There's a hard way to do it too, and we'll show you both ways. So I'm just gonna copy, and if you see this document on the right here, just check the link in the description if you want to see that document. Now let's just edit our script here and paste this in. Now you'll see here we have a list A with a bunch of numbers in it, and we say sum A and assign the results to a variable called result. Then we're just going to print those results out. So let's save this and let's just run the script. And there we go. It summed up everything in the array and just printed it out. That simple. Now if you wanted to reduce that to a single line, let's just try removing everything from there. Paste this in. There you go. One line of actual code, right? You have we're basically just defining a list right here as a parameter to sum, as a parameter to print, all in one line, right? So make sure we save that and run it again. Same result. All right. So that was pretty easy. Now we're going to do it the hard way, right? I'm going to first paste this code in here and then go over what it does. So this is the hard way. You shouldn't actually do this if you ever have to actually sum a list, unless you're being asked to do it this way for like a in a coding interview or some challenge or something. Anyways, you have a list A with a bunch of numbers in it. You create a variable called total, initialize it to 0. Then you loop over your list A. So for I in A, you're looping over your list, and each time you loop over it, the current value you're iterating over is I, right? So you take your total and say plus equals I. So you're incrementing it by I, an amount of I. So you're basically adding I to your total. Every time you go over one of these elements in your list, you're just adding it to the total, right? So by the end of this loop, you're going to have every one of these numbers added to your total. And then all you have to do is just print out your total and you're done. So we're going to make sure we save that, and we are going to run the script again, and there we go, exact same results. So still pretty simple, but not as easy as just calling sum, right? So that's basically it. Hopefully you found this useful. If not, maybe interesting. Might want to give me a quick thumbs up. But what you're really going to want to do is subscribe, because we have a lot more better content than this. Now, we have a lot of simple lessons like this, but we have a lot more elaborate, advanced things that are way more interesting, and we cover a lot of other great stuff, servers, coding, Linux, Windows. We cover we cover like Raspberry Pis, 3D printing, robots, electronics, all kinds of interesting tech content that you're not going to want to miss out on. So hit that subscribe button, but also hit the little bell icon so you don't miss, so you actually get notified when we come out with a new video and you don't miss that stuff. More importantly, leave a comment down below, because basically, we want to know what people think, and if maybe something I don't know, leave a comment down below, not just for me, but for the next person who comes along and reads the comments in this video. But yeah, any questions, comments, criticisms, whatever you have to say, definitely leave a comment down below. And that is about it for today. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.